Okay, this is my computer. It's a Lenovo W541, brand new. Now I turn on the Bluetooth setting, and the computer says your PC is searching for and can be discovered by Bluetooth devices. And you can see I have already paired my iPad to the computer. It was no problem at all. This is the mouse. It's on. Okay, I'll turn it off. Then I'll press the right key as you tell me to do. I turn it on. You see the red light is blinking. I put it on the table and I release the right button, but nothing happens. I've already spent one pair of batteries trying to connect the mouse to the computer. I also downloaded the Vidcom software, but no luck there too. It doesn't recognize the mouse at all.